Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is BerryCrepe and this is...
I'm Rich Bread.
Hi. Hello. And this is our second, yes, I had to re-record this, second day at the Renaissance Festival. So we're just gonna go back in time and show you day one. Enjoy! Also subscribe or I'll beat you up. Kobe's trying to find an outfit, but he doesn't know what he wants.
No,
You're so much taller than me.
I just don't want to spend like $500.
Yeah.
They're all very expensive.
You could wear this like no shirt underneath, Mystic Messenger chic.
I do it for the shed gang. That's cool.
I can put the sword in my mouth.
Do it.
What?
Wait. You're so small.
Not like that. That's what the character does. Oh my god. Okay.
How to get a Splinter 101. You think it's gonna fit? Mine do be strong as fuck.
I need some medieval milks in my life.
So I want to ruin the rest of the video for you and tell you that I have a giant stain on my booba. So have fun looking at that for the rest of the YouTube video. Kobe.
What?
I found the Smash tournament. Never mind, I don't think they're in there. They're broken! Oh no! My table! It's broken! Well, let's go take that to save the day. Wait, chill. He's like, ah! Come here. Look down. She's exposing me! I don't like...
What are you digging in there for?
This guy looked at me and he pointed at me and he goes, Pokemon! Boing.
Alright, reviewing the mead.
Okay, it's first time. Like it? It's a little spicy.
Spicy.
But it's good.
Well, actually, maybe the more I get into it, the more I change my opinion.
Okay, what's your opinion?
Every sip is better.
Like me to say it.
The mean one.
A shin setuli. Bananas.
Thank you. It's the motherfucking crepe-a-diem.
It's the crepe-a-diem, bro. Who wants crepes? Guys, she really is sweet and savory. The tagline was, seize the crepes. She wants to be seized. Kenzie said she really wanted the bucket of balls.
Gimme.
Right up your nose.
That booger?
What about peasant PayPal?
What do you give it? What's it giving you? Give me the Gordon Ramsay analysis.
Not worth $18 every time.
Let me try. I have superb taste buds. I'm the cooking mama, the Pokemon Cafe goer. You ready?
Yes.
It's giving Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. It tastes way better than Taco Bell.
It's good. This is recommended to us from someone who lives here.
Live here?
Well, they don't work here. They're role playing. Stop it. What do you think? What a great analysis.
Maybe you're really good at like some ranch.
Ranch. I love ranch.
On your mac?
Yes. That'd be so good.
Were you also the kid that mixed your mac and cheese with ketchup when you were little?
Ew, no. Why do you think I'm like that?
Wait, didn't you put fucking 10 pounds of sour cream in your salsa the other day?
Ew. Excuse me.
Wow, look, you got the most.
Oh, I didn't know we were competing. I would have tried harder. Oh my god. This is the best day of my life.
No! What did she do?
Hey, I've noticed. The ladies, this is for people to show up their booba, their bahoingies. And for the
you don't have
guys,
any.
Not for us.
if you're shredded, this is where you want to show it all off. This is for the ab Andes, the 8-pack legends.
So essentially this place is not for us. We got the
Oh, it's Amber. There she is.
Amber, can you find Amber? Where's Amber? Where's Amber? That guy came up to me and he said, do you know where the Molly at? Do I look like I do drugs? Where did he go? Look, I went, you see the guy behind me? He's really ripped. I went up to him and I was going to take a picture with him and at the end I was going to be like, oh, nice costume because he's wearing nothing. And then he walked up to his girlfriend and I ran away so fast. Euro or Euro?
The euro, yeah.
Okay, I'll do that.
Double fisting. Alright.
So I've never had this before. Euro. I've never had one before. And the guy just came up to the people, the chef people, and he was like, hey, tell the guy in the back this is the best shit I've ever had. On lock, no cap, bussin' on a stack. Okay.
He did say that. Exactly like that.
I like that. It's nice because a lot of things here are fried. So it's good to have something that doesn't taste like, What do you think?
That's good. I get this every single year.
Oh.
That's so good.
Well, never mind.
She already knew.
Okay.
I already know what's up.
That's a messy moth. Look at all that down there.
Stop, I'm inking.
Messy moth.
I'm inking.
The messy moth.
I found this homeless man here at the Renaissance Festival.
We gave this homeless man some food. He was really struggling. So
Now he's
we
gonna
gave
give
him
Kobe
food.
some Gok Gok 9000 in return.
Yeah, lucky me.
Flesh off the mic.
We got the bacon off a stick. We got the bacon on a stick, like my favorite YouTuber couple ever. They're perfect for each other, very cute, very, what do the kids say? What do they say, Kobe?
Lit.
OTP, lit.
OTP.
Okay, so
Wait,
this is,
that's not. Wait. Yeah, it is.
yeah, one true pairing.
I thought you were one trick pony.
No. Okay, well here it is. I'm kind of intimidated and scared.
Bacon on. Look at. Show them the thickness. Wow.
She thick.
That is thick. Take a bite. Does it taste like bacon?
It tastes like.
Try it again. You didn't get any fat in that.
Grease lightning.
Yeah, you get a little bit of fat on it.
I'm gonna get sick.
Oh, okay.
It's really, really fatty. Here, Kobe, try it. His face. What do you think?
I can feel my blood getting thicker as I
Hell
eat it.
yeah,
Like,
brother.
it's
Welcome
clotting
to
up.
America.
I can
Welcome
feel
to
it
America,
clotting.
brother.
God damn. I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack.
That's what I told you. I was like, I think I'm gonna be sick.
Good though. Tastes good.
We need you to help us try the bacon on a stick. Tell us what you think.
What the fuck, dude?
Try
I've
it.
never seen bacon that thick before. Oh my god.
Then give us the review.
Oh yeah, that's good.
What do you think out of 10?
Probably like an 8.
Really? I'd say 6.
I'd say 6.
What about you,
All
Kyle?
I've had is fried mac and cheese so far, and the leftovers that this nice bystander lady brought me.
Nice meat, Kobe. I have the frozen sangria. Kai has the regular on the racks. What do you think?
It looked like you went
That
down by a
went
lot.
down that shit. It's good.
Chug it.
They put a shit ton of ice in here. It's good though.
Okay, and then mine's
good.
frozen. I'm gonna spill it all over myself.
Don't get on your shirt.
It's good. What? It's strong. This is Kobe's orange drink.
It's very strong.
Oh,
I should have got this.
It's really good.
It tastes like high C from McDonald's,
Like
which is like chocolate. And this is our new friend. Okay, out of 10.
That one's good.
Out of 10.
9.
9.
I get the salt of it.
This one actually tastes like alcohol. The last one we had tastes like ass,
Yeah,
ass,
it's
ass.
too sweet.
By the way, that guy was not my friend. He was just staring at us.
Kills us later. We got him on camera.
Dateline NBC. Update. He works here.
We remade her one and kept this one. So the other one matched her skirt.
Look, it's all the Guardians. That's so cool.
A moth in her natural habitat, heading towards the light. Look at her. She's drawn to it. She can't do anything about it. She has arrived. Incredible.
Ooh, they're playing Zelda music. They know the ultimate Zelda gamer is here. Let's go. Oh, I just tripped. Just in time, Bog. Kobe. What did you say?
You want that on camera?
Oh.
Wow. Are you guys getting married?
Sister wives. Kobe, I know what I want.
What do you want?
That right there. The green one.
The green one?
Not the lady.
Oh, the anime drawing? Wow.
My people.
This would be a little too heavy for me.
I'm scared.
Just do it.
Are you sure?
I'm following you.
This is for Twitch chat.
He's
I'm
gonna
embarrassed.
say you're filming for your OnlyFans.
I know.
Hi, madam.
Don't even say anything about
My God, madam.
He didn't need to.
Are you really here? Am I really stoned seeing the white rabbit again?
Yes. What if I like grandma throwing?
Yeah, don't do that. Oh, madam. I'm just like your family. I hate that outfit too.
Yes. Come on, topic.
No, it's not, madam. Oh. I've never seen a Karen with rabbit ears before. That's awesome. Thank you, madam. You have fun today.
You too.
He went easy on me.
He went easy on
He
you.
can't be mean
didn't-
to girls.
He didn't show you the wrath he should
He
have.
can't be mean to girls. So the guy was kind of nice to me. I don't know why. So now Kai and I are gonna go
We're
do
about to get really roasted.
this girl, and girls are mean.
We're scared.
We're gonna get roasted. Drench a wench. Close.
All that money on that corset.
Yes.
And you wear $20 wig.
Yes. Amazon.
Oh my god! Holy shit, she did it! I had no faith.
$40, bitch.
Foundation.
Looks good.
Thank you. You look so precious.
We're about to shoot arrows. I'll let you know how it goes.
Oh, really? Yeah.
And that is exactly where my camera died. So, I guess this is the end of the world as we know it. So, thank you so much for checking out the video, and please subscribe and like the video. It really helps me out. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!